Okay, so in this video I'm going to test chili sauce, but normally when we kind of do tests like this, we suggest a 1 in 4 dilution. As we increase our understanding, we're actually going to suggest a 1 in 10 dilution. So this is a sort of different test to the normally ones. We're going to do a 1 in 10 dilution. So what I will do is take the sauce. So I have some, I'll put some into this beaker here. I'm basically taking what I call sort of 1 volume of the sauce. What I'll do is I'm just going to get what's called the buffer. It's a chemists would call it a diluent, but basically I'm just going to dilute the sample up a bit. So I'm just going to get a clean tip. And I'll get my chili buffer. And I will just have to be quite dexterous and open that. That tip doesn't look very clean. I'm actually going to put a new tip on this. All right. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll give this a little shake. Take a sensor. Right, so I've Bluetooth connected. I'll put the sample on the sensor now. Just enough to cover the tip. All right, I'll let that run now. Right, so it scored a 3,284. And what I'm going to do is take off the sensor. Put on a new sensor. I'll put a sample on the new sensor. So it's the same sample. We use a different sensor each time. It's a fresh sensor for each run. So I've done that. Go back to my my app. Yep, the ratios are correct. All right. So it's 3,176. And then I'll do a third run on it now. So I will take the sensor off, put it to here. I will take my same sample, different sensor. Put that onto the sensor. And I will run measurement. Same dilution as before. And as I say, I'll probably fast forward through this a bit. But we're just doing the third measurement now. $3,280. So I've got approximately two 3,200s and one that was about 3,100. So when you do the average and then something that you can call the standard deviation, our error is really low. So I did 3 tests, all came back very, very similar, which is a kind of good reflection, let's say, on the accuracy and repeatability of our technology. Okay, so I've just changed the protocol slightly these days, and now we do a sort of, I took one, let's say, one volume of the sample and put it into 9 volumes of the buffer, and I think that gives a more accurate representation. Okay, thanks very much.